The following is the details and objectives of this course. Please read it carefully, and start the course. As a result of such efforts, the vehicles produced today are equipped with power steering system, which supports the steering effort of the driver. In most of the vehicles produced today, steering effort is appropriately controlled, electronically corresponding to steering speed and torque to make the steering force light when parking or moving at low speed, and heavy when driving at high speed. The system that provides enhanced steering safety is called the motor-driven power steering system. With the advancement of the automotive industry, various technologies pertaining to steering gearbox has been engaged, and systems have been developed and applied. Today, the most widely used steering system types throughout the world are rack and pinion and ball and nut type gearbox. Let's take a closer look at these two types of steering system. Rack and pinion gear type has no link mechanism and ball joint, which achieve lower friction. It is lighter, so the system is mostly used in passenger vehicles. Ball and nut type has exceptional road vibration absorption by ball screw and pitman arm. And with its high durability, it is mostly applied in commercial vehicles. The early steering system was manual type, which was controlled only by the strength of the driver. Today, most of the steering system is assisted with hydraulic pressure or power motor, which allows steering with very little effort. Particularly, Kia Motors has advanced from conventional hydraulic power steering and has been applying motor-driven power steering system in response to the demand for improved fuel efficiency. Most of the passenger vehicles and SUVs manufactured by Kia Motors are equipped with motor-driven power steering system. And in line with this trend, the motor-driven power steering is anticipated to replace hydraulic power steering and become the industry's standard steering system. When the steering system is classified into the steering force type, there is the manual steering, which is controlled solely with driver strength, and then the power steering, which assists the driver for steering with very little effort. In addition, power steering can also be divided into 3 types based on the system power source. Hydraulic power steering uses hydraulic pressure. Electronic hydraulic power steering uses motor to drive the hydraulic pump, which supports steering. And electronic power steering and motor-driven power steering. Click on each of the power steering type to view more detailed information. In order to make sure that you've understood all of the content, Now, let's wrap up what we've learned today.